Hey guys, and welcome to my YouTube tutorial on how to solve a table using the rule and the four representations. Part A says to use the rule y equals 1/2 x minus 5 to solve the table. Now since I know my rule is 1/2 x minus 5, I know my figure 0 is -5. To find the other figure numbers, you need to convert the figure number into the rule. You turn the figure number into a fraction, example, x over 1, and multiply it by 1/2. Then you subtract it by 5. You repeat these steps on all figure numbers until it's complete. Now to find the other figures. On figure number 1, I found 0. Now to solve figure number 2, you would put 2 over 1. Multiply that by 1/2, that equals 2 over 2. So you divide those, you end up with 1. And then once you do that, you subtract that by 5, you will get -4. Now for figure 3, you put 3 over 1 times 1/2, which equals 3 over 2. And if you divide that, you get 1.5, so you subtract that by 5, and then you end up having -4.1, no 5. Then for figure 4, you put 4 over 1 times 1/2 equals 4 over 2. Divide that equals 2, minus 5, that equals -3. Now for finally figure 5, it's 5 over 1 times 1/2 equals 5 over 2, and you divide that and you end up with 2.5. Then you subtract by 5, and then you end up having -3.5. This is basically a recap of what I just said. I chose logic and reasoning because it has to include words, numbers, logic, and reasoning skills to help me solve problems, especially inside of the four representation rule. And I also chose model with mathematics because I can clearly show my work using diagrams, words, and symbols and pictures, which is again goes with the whole four representation. And that is the end of this presentation. This is the part where you start clapping.